What's up, everybody? Tyler back with you again today with another Crosley custom vehicle behind me. Shout out to Gary Crosley Ford, Todd Gentry, Clark Hewitt. So back here, as you can see, we have a brand new 2026 Ford F-150 in the XL trim. This is a single cab short bed truck, and as you can see, it is not stock. We have definitely added some aesthetically pleasing appearance mods to this truck, along with a 3-liter Ford Performance Whipple Supercharger under the hood. It is brisk out here in Kansas City today, which is only going to help us with the performance portion of this video. So let's real quick talk about everything done to this truck as far as the mods on the outside, the aesthetically pleasing things, the paint match things. Then we'll hop out here and we'll get to the meat and potatoes of the video. So let's go. Okay, starting from the very front of the truck and making our way towards the back. Right up front here, RK Sport hood and front splitter, super clean. The hood has been paint matched along with the entire grille. The outside of the grille has been paint matched. Front bumper. This used to be all chrome, as you usually would get on the XL truck. So the front bumper, paint matched. Moving along towards the side of the truck. 22-inch niche wheels wrapped in Nitto tires. It is lowered on a RideTech 3.5 drop kit, which I personally love those for these F-150s. It's like the Cadillac of drop kits out there. PowerStop rotors. We swapped out the factory rotors for the PowerStop slotted and drilled rotors on this thing. Moving towards the side of the truck, also paint matched on the side. Mirror caps, also paint matched. Up here on the cab, you see our cab spoiler that is also paint matched. All this stuff really brings the truck together. Circling back to the rear of the truck, we have our bumper that used to be chrome. It is also paint matched. Back here towards the rear of the truck on the tailgate, you see this super clean tailgate spoiler wrapping the whole truck together down to the back. Now this truck does have factory exhaust on it. So it is pretty quiet, but that doesn't stop it from absolutely ripping. So we're gonna change the exhaust on this. I do have one coming from my friends over at Thermal R&D. It's their Savage exhaust for this F-150. Low key, probably one of the better sounding exhausts on the market, but no one really knows about it, but we're gonna change that. Now I think the best part about this F-150 here, it is one, brand new 2026. 2, has the Ford Performance 3-liter Whipple under the hood, making 700 horsepower to the crank. 3, perfect turnkey daily driver with full warranty. You retain the full warranty on this truck along with a 36,000 mile 3-year warranty on the Whipple itself. So what do you have to lose? This thing absolutely ripper, turnkey, go. All right guys, my favorite part of these videos, the performance side. What we have here is my Draggy Pro hooked up to our app on our phone. Deadly accurate results without being at an actual drag strip. So it'll be perfect for out here at Less Eco More Boost Raceway. So let's see what she can do 0 to 60 in a quarter mile. Let's go. We gotta have our guesses about what this truck's gonna run. So we did a 4-door lifted one on 33-inch tires last week. Whipple Stage 1, same as this, and it ran a 12.9. So we're substantially down on weight, which is good. And I would love, in a perfect world, see an 11.6. That's what I would like to see. Bradley, what do you think?
Yeah, I think that's fair. I was going to guess 11.5 maybe.
I thought you were going to guess an 8-second at 160.
I said 8.6 at 168.
So let's get this thing turned around. We're going to put it in 4-wheel drive and I guess send it the beans. Okay, let's see what this thing can do. Load it up just a little bit, I guess. All right.
Damn.
All right. Let's go. Feeling good so far. Oh, we got cut off by the speed governor. Got cut off. But it looks like we ran a 3.79 0 to 60 and ran an 11.9 quarter mile with the speed governor kicking in. I think it hit about 100 miles an hour.
Yeah.
And still ran an 11.9. Turnkey, brand new 2026 F-150, 3-liter Ford Performance Whipple Supercharger on it. Lowered RideTech, wheels, tires, paint match, all the goods. All right, let's get pulled over here real quick and we'll go over the time slip that we got. That road is absolutely damn near perfectly flat. Look at the percentage of the slope on that. That is a damn near perfect flat road. But yeah, verified our run because the road was flat. We were hooked it up to, it looks like 29 satellites during this run. Again, the temperature is going to be helping us out quite a bit with being 37 degrees and negative 916 feet DA. But yeah, we did a clean run, 1190 in the quarter mile. We got a 1.79 60 foot little, you know, we could definitely clean that up probably a little bit. But yeah, 0 to 60 looks like we hit that in what, 3.79 seconds. So I mean, out of an F-150 4-wheel drive, that's not doing too damn bad, especially with a full warranty. All right, guys, I don't think it's a question of if this truck will do a burnout. Let's see how good of a burnout she'll do. I'm just gonna floor it, hold on and let it rip. That one was probably the sickest burnout I think that we've ever probably recorded, especially for just a, yeah, that one was actually nasty.
That's sick.
So it does do a burnout, as you can tell. I hope Todd appreciated that one. All right, guys, we are all finished up with this 2026 short bed single cab F-150. Thing absolutely rips. If you like the performance, the 11.9 quarter mile, the 3.70 to 60, go buy this truck. It is for sale. They'll have more for sale. They'll build you one. Crosley Customs, Gary Crosley Ford, Todd Gentry, Clark Hewitt. Thank you guys so much. We're out.